Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy's Space. So today we are back at Ikea and I'm doing a walkthrough here at Ikea. I'm going to show you guys some of the latest stuff, new stuff that I found here at Ikea. So before I go ahead to explain some of the stuff that I found, let me introduce myself. My name is Ivy and I make videos on home decor, shopping videos, shopping vlog, cooking, chit chat, and things like that. So push the subscribe button down below. Also push the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for coming back. So I walked into IKEA today and I was looking for some of the latest stuff that they have here at IKEA. You know, IKEA is one of my favorite store here in Toronto, Canada. When it comes to some certain stuff, I tend to come here a lot more often than a lot of stores that I usually go to. So I wanted to come here to see if they have some new stuff here at IKEA for March. And yes, I found some really nice looking stuff here at IKEA for March, and they also have some sales going on for the kitchen countertop. If you watch my previous video, I told you guys that the kitchen countertop will be coming to on a sale, and they had it on sale while I was at IKEA. They had this new couch. I think that this couch was really nice looking couch. So they have a couple of new couch, like the texture, the fabric um was new. I haven't seen this one before here, so I was like, okay, they're really nice. Like the prices were really reasonable. They have a lot of the spring outdoor decor stuff out right now. I know spring and summer is coming, and few of us are planning to redecorate, we design our backyard, our front yard, and I'll be like, check IKEA out. IKEA have some of those stuff out already. And as you know, I always like to check out IKEA um showrooms out because I get inspired a lot whenever I come here. I get some new ideas, some new colors, how to like add colors to your space to give it that, nice looking space. And yes, guys, so IKEA had some new stuff here available. Guys, thank you so much for all of you guys who have been watching my videos so far. I'm going to be consistent now, guys. So let me tell you guys about this chair now. So this was another chair that was calling my name. It was like, Ivy, I'm pink. Your bed sheets and your pillowcases right now are pink. You can just add me to your collection, like your furniture in the house. Guys, these ones were so pretty. I was liking the pink one. It was so pretty, and it was only for $2.99. I don't think the price is bad at all when it comes to accent chair. When you're trying to look for really nice looking accent chair, that price was not bad. They also have other very unique style when it comes to chairs and bench that I feel like I was really admiring. So yes, guys, so these are some of the stuff that I end up finding at IKEA. As you can see, there's so many inspiration, how to decorate, design, how to get like how to style your home from IKEA, like the way you can style your home. So as you can see, some of the kitchen countertop were on sales, and I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff if you're planning to renovate your kitchen, design your kitchen. For this year, I would say check IKEA out. They usually have somebody, if you're planning to design your kitchen, where you can come in and you can get like a brand new kitchen and everything. Like somebody will like guide you through, tell them what you want and how you want it, and so on and so forth. So IKEA is a place to go if you want to get some of this stuff as well. So I'm going to let you guys watch this video to an end. These are some of the latest stuff that I found IKEA. I hope you guys found some things that you have been looking for, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. The queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence. Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters.